This video demonstrates how to install the 15 kV Loadbreak elbows for metallic tape shielded cables. Higher voltages are available. Prysmian Group's Loadbreak elbows are designed for use with single conductor, concentric neutral power cables having extruded insulation shielding. With shield adapter products, the elbow can be used with cables having a metallic tape shield, wire shield, or lead sheath with tape or extruded insulation shielding. To begin, prepare the cable using the cutback dimensions shown in the instruction manual. Remove the cable jacket using appropriate tools. Remove the metallic tape shield per the manual instructions. A constant force spring can be used as a tearing guide to remove the copper tape shield effectively. Score the insulation shield using the appropriate tool. Remove the insulation shield. Next, remove the cable insulation with appropriate tool. Chamfer the edge of the insulation as required. Apply one layer of PVC electrical tape over the end of the metallic tape to prevent unraveling. Abrade the cable jacket with abrasive cloth or an abrasion tool to improve mastic adhesion. Next, place the first mastic strip around the cable jacket at the location of the solder block when folded back into position. To place the ground braid with wire, slightly flare the end of the braided ground strap with the solder block and place it flush against the cable jacket. Apply the constant force spring around the ground braid for 2 turns. Fold the braided ground braid back over the spring coil while making sure the solder block falls onto the previously applied mastic. Wrap the rest of the constant force spring around the braided ground strap and the cable. Apply a second mastic strip directly over the first mastic and over the braided ground strap, providing a moisture seal. Apply 1/2 lap layer of PVC electrical tape over the constant force spring and leading edge of the mastic buildup. Slide the cold shrink rejacketing sleeve on the cable. Install the lug using proper tools. Make sure to orient the lug in the proper direction. Clean the cable by removing all traces of the insulation shield from the cable insulation. Be sure not to transfer any semiconducting particles onto the cable insulation. Apply silicone grease to lubricate insulation shield cutback. To install the Loadbreak elbow, slide the elbow onto the cable using a back and forth twisting motion. The final seating of the elbow should align the elbow and the threaded portion of the lug. To install and torque the probe, hand thread the probe into the lug to avoid cross-threading. Once the probe has been properly started, use the supplied wrench to fully tighten the probe into the lug. The probe will be fully mated when the wrench permanently bends. Clean any excess silicone grease. To install the cold shrink sleeve, first apply mastic and cover it with one layer of PVC tape. Position the cold shrink sleeve over the previously applied mastic and slowly pull the cord to shrink down the sleeve. Attach the tinned copper wire to the grounding eye of the elbow. Twist the wire at least 2 turns. Attach the braid end to the system ground. This concludes the installation of a 15 kV 200 amp Loadbreak elbow for metallic tape shielded cables.